Boom. Hello. This is another question on balancing equation. And this very one, if you look at it, you find that it's a little familiar, right? This is familiar. It's probably carbon dioxide and water somehow is producing glucose for us and releasing oxygen. That's what plants do, right? They use CO2 and water and sunlight to, produce food, which is the glucose, and they also give out oxygen. Yes, and then we take in the oxygen. That's all biology anyway. Yeah, and then of course, if this were written the other way around, they'll put some ATP here, right? Plus ATP. That's like the energy. Anyway, this is not biology. This is chemistry, and we're trying to balance this equation. So nobody cares about this ATP for now. We'll leave it till when we are studying other parts of biology or other parts of chemistry, actually, where we'll need it. All right, so we just want to balance this. In a way, you can look at it as a reverse combustion. So you want to still balance the carbon first, then hydrogen, then oxygen. Carbon here is 6, so I'm going to drop a 6 here. That should be the first step. Then, after balancing my carbon, next is the hydrogen. Hydrogen is 12 here, so I have to put a 6 here, so that hydrogen will become 12. And finally, oxygen. On this side, my oxygen is 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 1, 6, meaning I have 18 oxygen atoms. And here I have 6. I need to put something here that when I times it by 2 and add 6, I'll get 18. So from 18, if I subtract 6, it's going to give me, what's 18 minus 6? 12. Yes. So it means that I have to put something here such that when I times it by 2, I'll get 12. And that's just 6. I know that some of you would not take time balancing this equation because you've already seen it in your biology and other, subjects. So you should be familiar with it. Yeah. So now, is this the one they call photosynthesis, or is this the one they call respiration? Yeah, I've already probably said the answer to this question already, but tell me, tell me. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.